more every single day using a very simple method that you can earn daily $100 even more. So before I will show you the date. Today you can see today is Tuesday 24 to October 17. Okay, I will log into my PayPal account and will show you my proof from this system. Okay, like you see here, I have $200 in my PayPal account. I will stop this video now and will run my system and I will show you tomorrow my earning from this very simple system. So thank you for watching right now and see you tomorrow. Okay guys, welcome back to my new system, how to make $100 every single day, even more $100 every single day. Before I will show you my proof, I will visit time and date USA. Like you see, today is Wednesday 25 on October 17. This is day number 1 after I running my system. So let's go to my PayPal account. I will show you my proof how I make 100 even more $100 every single day. Okay, so you can see here I make $547 and this is absolutely in autopilot for newbies. Everyone can do it. Everyone can join this program, no matter where you are from or how old are you. Everyone can do it and everyone can earn this cash daily. I will stop this video right now and I will back tomorrow and will show you my proof with this system. So thank you for now and good luck. Okay guys, welcome back to my new system, how to make $100 every single day, even more $100 every single day. Today I will show you my proof from this system, but before I will show you the date, let's make time and date USA and we will see today is Thursday 26 on October 17. Now I will log into my PayPal account and will show you my proof earning from this system, so we can see exactly my earning and how much I earning from this system. So you can see my earning right now is $657 from this system. Absolutely autopilot system, autopilot earning for newbies. Everyone can join and everyone can make this money. I will stop this video right now and will back tomorrow with more proof earning, so you can see exactly that this system really working and everyone can join this system. Thank you for watching for now and see you tomorrow. Okay guys, welcome back to my new system, how to make $100 every single day. With this video I will continue with my earning proof. My proof and my earning is on autopilot earning system. I make from this system over $100 every single day. Today I will show you the date, so let's type in Google time and date USA. So you can see today is Friday 27 October 17. So let's log into my PayPal account and will show you my proof and my earning from this new system. This is a great system. Everyone can join this system. Like you see, over $100. This is fantastic. I love this system This is a great system, and I will show you exactly how this system works. Okay, everyone can join this system. It's a newbie, and everyone can earn from this system. So I will show you how exactly this system work, and so you can make money too, like I did. Okay guys, so how this system work, I will show you exactly step by step how you can set up your system, and how you can earn 100, even more, $100 every single day, using a very simple system, and you will earn while you sleeping. Okay, you don't have to do nothing. All you have to do is set up your system, and you will make cash daily on autopilot. Okay, so let's start. First, please go to payspree.com. You will get this website. Okay, Payspree, you can see here, payspree.com. So basically, if you want to make this cash daily, you need a product or a service to sell. You can found a product and a service to sell using affiliate networks. Okay, so you can join an affiliate network, and you can promote a good product, and you will earn this cash daily using this affiliate network. Okay, so you will get this page. When you get this page, you have to make an account. You can make a free account. You can see here there is over 200,000 marketers using Payspree. I am one of them, and you can be one of these affiliate marketers. Okay, so you have to make an account. When you have an account, you have to go to marketplace. You can see here in the bottom, marketplace. Okay, so you will get a different product. Okay, marketplace also you can get here in the top, and you have marketplace in the bottom. Okay, so you can see here there is a different product that you can promote and earn daily cash from this product. Okay, you will get 100% from this product. A commission from this product. You can see here PayPal Booster Unlimited, $1 Express, Instabank 15, Turbo 3 Cash Machine. Let's visit this product. Okay, so you can see this is Bitcoin. I don't recommend to use this website. Okay, don't this product. Okay, I will close. Let's go to let's visit this product. Okay, I don't like this product. Okay, I will show you the product that I am promoting. There is a unlimited product, so you can type here PayPal. Okay, PayPal, and make your search. Sorry, my internet is slowly. Okay, So you will get more products. Okay, so you can see here $5 auto pilot cash system. Let's visit. Okay, this is also a good product to promote. I want to show you more products. Okay, let's type here 19. Okay, we will get Turbo 19 daily payment. Let's visit this website. Okay, so this is a fantastic product, a very convert product. I really love and like this product. When you get a sale, you will get $19 for every sale you make. Okay, I want to show you more product. Let's go to 47. Okay, this is a fantastic product. Let's visit. So we will get this product. This is also a fantastic product. You will get $47 for every sale. Okay, this is a very good and very convert product to promote. Okay, let's visit. Let's see. Okay, I think you get the point. Okay, you have to choose a good product. A good product. Look a very nice sales page. And all you have to do is get traffic. Now, how to get traffic? So let's say we want to promote this product. You can see here, create a link. We will get this page. So you have to put your username here, your pastry username here. So so my username. Okay, so we can see this is my username, this is my link. Okay, so all you have to do is put your username here in the inbox, and then you have to copy this link. This is your link, so you have to promote this link, and for every sale you make, you will get 100 commission. Okay, so how this works? So like I said, you have to get traffic to this link. So let's copy, and now I want to show you how to get traffic, how to get real traffic, and how to get a commission daily. So traffic source number 1, you can visit Turbo website traffic. You will get this page. Okay, this is a fantastic traffic. You can see here in the top, advertise, and you will get this inbox. So all you have to do is put your name here and your email, your link like this. Okay, your email, and choose your package. Basically, I am using always 100,000 website visitors, or I am using also 19 days unlimited website traffic. Okay, this is the best two packages that I am using, and promote my affiliate links from Payspray. This is a good and very convert traffic that you can use to promote your affiliate link. Traffic source number 2 is Safe Traffic Rotator. You will get this page. This is a great traffic You can see here, do you need traffic to your affiliate link? This is very cheap, and very important, is very safe. Okay, this is a safe traffic, so you can use this traffic to promote any affiliate link without get panicked. Okay, you can promote your let's say clickbank affiliate link, CPA offers. Of course, you can promote your landing page and more and more. And of course, you can promote your PaySpray affiliate link. You can see your name, your email, your site. So you have to put your site like here. Choose your package and accept and order now and get traffic. Okay, traffic source number 3, you can visit traffic cache list. This is also a great traffic source. Basically, the good traffic that I am using from this website is get unlimited get unlimited website traffic for 1 month. You can put your link here, your website URL to promote. Of course, you can use another packages, okay, but basically I am using always unlimited website visitors. Sorry. Of course, like I said, you can test if you want lifetime traffic. You can go here and you can put your link and make your order. This is a fantastic website traffic. You can get unlimited real human traffic from people who's searching for making money online, and you can promote your PaySpray affiliate link and get a commission daily. Okay, I hope you like this video. I hope you will take action. This is a fantastic system. I am using this system over 1 year for now. I make a lot of money from PaySpray affiliate product. Sorry, I am promoting a different product from PaySpray and get a commission daily. So this is my system, guys. You can use it. I hope you will take action. If you need any help, please type your comment below this video so I can help you if you need any help. Basically, I think you get the point. You have to get your affiliate link from PaySpray and get traffic to your affiliate link. Thank you again for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you again and have a good day. Thank you very much.